Give a big thank to the 99X team so that we could host this workshop. It's been a really good workshop. It's been a creative workshop. It's been a constructive workshop. And it's been good for team spirits. We had a lot of laughs. We had some good discussions around difficult subjects, not personal difficult of course, but difficult in matters of developing. There's of course been something that's more difficult because of the pandemic. We all have to wear masks all the time. I'm just allowed to take it off just for this film, so I'm glad for that and happy for that. But that's small things. The workshop it's been like it was before the pandemic, so it's been really good. And during the pandemic, we've been working like normal with the team because we used to use Teams or Skype with the Sri Lankan team. The only difference is that we hadn't had the possibility to have a workshop before now. So it's been 2 years since the last workshop, I think, approximately. I think that was in January 2000, now it's January 2022. But working with the team during the pandemic has worked. It's been great. It's been like normal.